Hey there mga may love, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So yan, bago natin simulan ng reading na to for you guys, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na ang reading na tayo for you, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. By the way, mga babes, no, meron pala tayong new channel para sa hindi pa knows. Meron tayong new channel for Taurus or kung kayo ay dealing with Taurus, you might want to check that out. The channel's name is all about Taurus. The language is in English language. Well, mga babes, no, kahit na hindi kayo dealing with Taurus, pero may Taurus kayo in your natal chart, yan mga babes, no, or birth chart, you might want to check that out para kuha rin kayo no, ng ibang information yan na baka makaresonate din kayo doon. So, let's see kung ano mang meron dito for you guys, Spirits and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for my Scorpion people? This is for Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio, please. What does Scorpio needs to know? Nakakita tayo ng healing, mga babes, no? Or yung iba, lumipas na rin o pinagaling na rin kayo ng panahon. Yung mga na-heartbroken, nagkaroon ng pain in the heart, or someone here hurt you, I'm picking up na marami sa inyo rito ang gumagaling at nag-heal na. Yan. Let's get more information. Ano pang meron dito for you, Scorpio? This is for Scorpio. Okay. Let's see what messages we have here for you guys. Oh, first message we've got right here, the Eight of Swords energy. Ilatag naman na natin lahat together with this Knight of Swords energy. Oh, okay. Timing is literally being highlighted here. There's balance in the near future for you guys. Your life will be at a state of balance right here, Scorpio. So yeah. Oh, I can see you releasing here some kind of a um, burden, nagpapabigat ng loob mo, nagpapagaan ng loob mo, no? So, this is you releasing it, yan, no? Yung iba, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na marirelease ninyo ang problema ninyo when it comes to money, finances, and coins, or pentacles issue, money-related issue, because you will achieve something here na changes pagdating with this Nine of Coins energy, changes when it comes to your career, money, job, and coins. Yan, no? Pwedeng business yan para sa iba. I can see achievement, no? Pagdating dito sa money, I'm seeing as well growth when it comes to your money flow. So, wow. So, kung ano man yan, no, utang man yan, nakita ko mababayaran mo yan pretty soon, Scorpio, no? At nakakuha rin ako dito na meron kang tatanggalin na hindi nagiging totoo sa'yo. I think it's a friend. Someone you know. At nakikita ko rito na maybe at first, no, nanghihinayang ka na tanggalin siya rito sa life mo kasi hindi mo pa alam yung buong truth. But I think, I'm picking up na meron kang malalaman about this friend that this friend is not being true to you. So nakikita ko rito na magbabago rito, no, ang iyong pagtingin doon sa perspective na yon. So, from nanghihinayang, no, dito nakikita kong hindi ka nanghihinayang na tatanggalin mo itong friend na ito sa buhay mo. Kasi I think dito makikita mo kung ano man tong truth na malalaman mo, marirealize mo rito, no, ni hindi pala ikaw naging totoong friend para sa kanya. Para sa kanya, hindi kanya nakikita as someone who is a true friend. So, see, I don't know what's that specifically, but I'm picking up that this person here could had lied to you. Baka matagal na siya nagsisinungaling sa'yo. This person is not being honest. Yan, sa'yo, Scorpio. So, maaring malaman mo yan at pag nalaman mo yan, no, hindi ka manghihinayang. No? So, nakikita ko magtatanggal ka rito no, ng mga kaibigan na akala mo ay totoo sa'yo. Yung iba pwedeng hindi kaibigan, no? Pwedeng mga kakilala mo rito na akala mo, mga babes, no? Okay sila, pero yun pala, kung ano-ano pala dito mga pinagsasabi sa'yo. So, I'm seeing you clearing out energies right here na tingin mo, no, nagpapabigat lang ng sitwasyon. Yeah. So, these are the energies right here that is not being honest with you. You're detaching from them. You're cutting them off. Yan. So, naglilinis ka rito ng parang kalat sa yung energy, sa yung life in general. Yan, no? Kaya pala maraming healing ang nakikita natin dito kasi nakuha ko tayo dito ng Eight of Swords energy, Knight of Swords, and there's this healing card. See, I'm picking up that meron ditong magsisave sa inyo. Yan, no? A solution is coming into a problem right here. Yan, no? May sitwasyon ito. Sa iba isa itong tao, no? Sitwasyon or tao rito na parang magiging knight in shining armor mo or princess in shining armor mo na siya yung magsisave sa'yo sa pagkakasadlak or pagkakastuck sa isang situation. So either this person here brings a lot of healing, sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is general reading right here. Maybe this is the person here no na ito na pala yung tunay no, na magmamahal sa iyo guys. Ito na pala yung tunay rito no na taong makapagbibigay sa iyo rito no ng tunay na pagmamahal. With this, ayan no, yung window rito may dalawa rito parang magsing irog no na nakaukit diyan. So, whoever this individual is, this person will turn your life more colorful. Yan, no? More colorful, mas makulay. This person will bring a lot of healing here in your life. Yan, if this is a love situation. For others, this could be someone here or a situation, no, oportunidad na magtatanggal sa'yo sa kung ano man yung burden na dinadala mo, maliban sa usaping pinansyal. Kasi iba yung nakukuha kong energies dito. Yan. If you are in this type of situation na matagal ka na namomroblema dito at nasa-stuck ka dito, yan ay may kinalaman dyan. So, kung sino man itong paparating sa'yo or kung ano man itong sitwasyon or oportunidad na paparating sa'yo, yan ang magtatanggal at mag-aalis sa'yo sa kinasasadlakan mong stagnation. So, yan mga babes, no? Yung iba, it's all about usapang heart. It's all about usapang relationship. So, I'm seeing you coming out from that stuck moment. So, yeah, I'm seeing a very excited news right here that will turn your world upside down. Wow! It's a news. Nakukuha ko, pwedeng email mo yun matanggap or via postmail. You know postmail? Yung ihahatid sa inyo ng kartero, postman. It could be a telegram. It could be a letter right here. It could be in a form of an email. It's like a business-related thing. It's like a money-related thing. Something that will excite you. Yeah. Kung ano man yun, tingin ko may kinalaman yan sa money, finances dito. Yan, good news yun. And it will turn your world upside down. So it looks like whatever news is that, ito na yun. No, umpisa na, no, para matanggap mo dito, no, yung mga biyaya na matagal nang na-stuck. Nagkaroon ng delay dito na dapat ay matagal nang dumating sa'yo. Kaya kung ano man to, ito yung mga magpapabalanse ng buhay mo. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, you will be in this type of state of way of living na feeling balance ka eh. Diba? So, may ginhawa, may balanse, no? Nakikita kita na mas gumagaan at mas nagiging lighter ang iyong mga upcoming days, upcoming months right here. Because, you will receive here something at ito ay isang positibong balita. So, wow, no? Maaring ito ay may kinalaman sa pera talaga. Yan, no? Pero alam mo, nakakuha tayo ng side message dito which is somehow cute. Dalawa yung side message na nakuha ko. One, pwedeng meron ditong younger than you by age or young looking, no, na magpapasigla ng araw mo. Someone here that will cheer you up. I don't know if that person is connecting already with you or that person is entering your life, you know, yung sasabihin niya magdadagdag ng confidence sa inyo. Yeah. And the other side message that I'm getting right here, Scorpio, there is someone here na pwedeng pamangkin mo, like bata talaga yung energy niya, no? Or baka ikaw ay single mom or single dad, no? This person is sweet and charming. So, meron siyang sasabihin sa'yo rito na parang feeling mo, kaya mo nang harapin yung mundo. Like, this child is so sweet. I don't know whose child is that, but I'm picking up that maybe it's a member of the family, or maybe this is you love children. At kung anong sasabihin ng bata na yon, that will uplift your spirit. Parang ready ka na ulit na harapin yung buong araw rito. No? Na parang talaga galing yun sa isang bata na that child understood yung ganong klase ng parang malawak na intindi sa buhay. Bata ba talaga siya? Because this person will magically, that child, no, will magically turn your spirit, no, from feeling down to uplifting it. Yan, no? Parang nabuhayan ka rito ng dugo dun sa sasabihin ng child na yun. Kung sino man yun, baka pamangkin mo, baka anak mo, or someone here, no, na kapitbahay, anak ng kapitbahay. Magugulat ka, no, nasabi yun ng isang bata. Alam mo yung batang energy na parang elementary ito, or baka mas younger pa nga, ganong klase ng energy. Wow! So, yeah, no? I'm seeing you receiving here a balanced life. I'm seeing you receiving here good news when it comes to money. At nakita ko dito mga babes, no, na mababayaran mo yung loan or utang. Either ikaw yung may utang or yung member of the family ninyo, matutulungan mo siya rito no, sa kanyang problema when it comes to finances because money is coming. So, yan, no? And also, nakikita kita dito, no, na nagki-clear ka rito ng mga friends na hindi mo na kailangan. Kasi alam mo nakuha ko rito, sila naman yung nagpakita dito ng motibo, no, na hindi sila naging totoo sa'yo, na hindi naman sila true friends sa'yo, kaya hindi kita nakikitang nanghihinayang, no, in the long run upon cutting these people out. Yan, no. Yung iba very specific, no, kasi yung iba, mga babes, no, isang tao ito na talagang akala mo, no, talagang mapagkakatiwalaan mo, sa kanya mo pa naman sinasabi lahat dito, no, tapos isa pala siya rito malaking fake. So, you're cutting that person. I don't know, very specific. So, pwedeng siya yung lagi mong kakwentuhan, lagi mong kasama, pero yun pala, no, hindi pala siya totoo sa'yo. Yeah. So, ito ang mga mensahe nakuha natin for you, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Sarang I love and life. Annyeong.